Looks like 2011 was shoving it, and I did not see the cab car. There goes that train northbound to Sacramento. 2004? And I cannot see the cab car from here. Is it 69, 64 or something? There goes south to Jacqueline Square and the Coliseum. .202 and 129. 5, 7. $2005. And what was that? 8314? I didn't quite catch that. There goes south to the Coliseum. $83.12? And 2015. $2011? And oh, I think 8307 was trailing it? Oh, so that's why I didn't notice the cab car on 537 on 524 earlier this morning. Also another reason why. There goes that train south to San Jose. Oh, another intermodal train, 8399 and 7003. Oh, it's a coal train. I guess 532 should be coming on the opposite track then. Phew, excuse me. My, that's a long one. There's the end of it. 2 engines at the rear. 2718 and SD70M number 5210. That was a pretty good sight. There goes that train west towards Martinez Junction Station. 2004? And 6960 something that I didn't see. I did not see that. That snuck up on me. There goes south to San Jose.